Well, so we have a train here at Maumee Street. I just now heard the horn. We got a yellow signal that means caution only. Well, it actually means caution. So he is going to be sitting there somewhere. I don't know where exactly. But there's the headlight right now at about a half a mile only. Got a yellow signal down there. It would usually go to a green, but nope. And it sounds like CP 131, so this will be surprising if it blocks any roads. And it's going very slow. And there it is, but why aren't the gates going down? Oh, no wonder why. He's just going very slow. And I mean very, very slow. There they go, finally. Sounds like CP 131, folks. And it is. No, wait, I just take that back. It's an NS 121 with only an engine and cars. So I take that back, folks. It is the NS 121. About to be stopping, of course. Well, not yet. He has a yellow right now. I hear another horn, I think. I will not be surprised at all if we get a train meet, which I kind of doubt it. The NS 121 that I hate, arg, is the one over here, and it's going not as slow as I thought, but it's slowing down. This is gonna be so funny when it stops. But not blocking here, no. They never usually block here. doing about 25 at the moment. And we do have a blank. Well, no train meet, unfortunately. But okay, so that's it on our Tuesday extravaganza, folks. January 24th. That's it.